3 different kinds of bulbs, I think. This was a while ago. So the first one I have is Hyacinthus Gypsy Queen. I think this is orange. I think it's an orange flower. My husband's asking what a bulb is. This is a bulb. This is a bulb. This is the hyacinth bulb. Let me know down in the comment section. My husband thinks I need to explain what a bulb is. This is just where the flower stores all of its energy. It's where the roots come out here, and then the flower comes out the top and all the leaves. And for the winter time, the flower stores all of its energy in this bulb. Flower dies off, the roots die off, and then in the spring it grows new roots. This is a lily. Lily, I forgot what colors everything are, but I ordered a lot of like yellows, pinks, and whites because those are my favorite flower colors. So this is a lily. It's probably yellow, pink, or white. Lily Casablanca, this is probably white. This is Lily Muscadet. This is Hyacinth Pink Pearls. These ones are pink. I ordered a lot of hyacinth. I wish I ordered more daffodils because some of mine didn't survive. For some reason, I don't know why, but let's hope that these survive. This is Delft Blue Hyacinth, so this one's probably purple. I think I ordered like all different colors of hyacinths. Oh, we have a yellow hyacinth. This is Hyacinth Yellow Queen. This is a narcissus, or a daffodil. This is Gay Tuber. I don't know. They're very big. I don't know what color this is. Daffodils usually come in white or yellow, and they can be double or a single, so I'm not really sure what I ordered here. We have Hyacinthus Fairy White. This is Narcissus Sweet Ocean, so daffodils. Narcissus is daffodils. That's the Latin name for daffodil. This is Hyacinthus Jan Bose. So I don't know what color that is either. And this is Hyacinthus China Pink. So these ones are probably pink. So I know I'm gonna have a lot of hyacinths. I'm not really sure how many daffodils I have because, like I said, the daffodils that I have decided to shrivel up, and I don't know what happened. So I ordered 3 different kinds of lilies, a bunch of different hyacinths, and 2 different kinds of daffodils. And we'll hope that I can salvage some daffodils. But hopefully I do, because daffodils are my favorite spring blooming flower. Like, I love them so much. And I remember as a kid we had so many in our garden. They're my favorite spring blooming like bulb. But yeah, I'm really excited. So these ones I'm actually just gonna keep as is in the box. Last year my bulbs, I got my fall planting bulbs in the fall. Actually, I got them from Brent and Becky's too, and I just kept them in the garage and they were fine, and they bloomed this summer. So I'm probably just gonna keep them and maybe plant them